In the first year after graduation, thousands of Canadian grads are still trying to break into their field, and some never do. The average student leaves with $28,000 in debt. And after years of watching this transition up close, I can tell you, the students who succeed are playing a completely different game, one most people never learn. One week, you're walking across the stage in cap and gown. The next, you're back at your parents' kitchen table, refreshing job boards and wondering what happened. And here's what I see every day, and honestly, it troubles me. Smart students graduate thinking high GPA will open doors, then spend months getting automated rejection emails. Meanwhile, other students, sometimes with lower grades, are landing multiple job offers. The difference isn't intelligence or luck. It's that they start using university as more than just classes from day one. So what's the strategy? Become the student everyone remembers. I've seen it again and again. Students who volunteer to lead something, anything, on campus pick up skills you'll never get from lectures. Running events teaches project management. Coordinating with sponsors builds business communication. Solving problems on the spot sharpens your decision making. Even pulling off a chaotic charity bake sale with burnt cookies and last-minute table changes teaches more about logistics than a semester of theory. Or running an intramural dodgeball league and breaking up a mid-game argument. That's conflict resolution in the real world. Now here's where it gets interesting. The students who combine that kind of hands-on experience with AI fluency, they're solving problems faster and more creatively than anyone expects. They're using AI to handle the boring parts, drafting emails, organizing data, making first drafts, so they can focus on strategy, relationship building, and the human skills that actually win jobs. Think of university as 4 years of access to resources most people never get. Want to test a business idea? You've got a ready-made audience. Want to grow a network? Every guest speaker, professor, and classmate is a potential connection. Want to build AI skills? Apply them to real problems for student groups, campus departments, or community projects. The students who win experiment, build, fail fast, and learn faster. And here's what I wish someone had told me when I was in your shoes. Your degree might get you the interview, but what gets you the job is showing you can think, solve problems, and work with the tools that matter now, not the ones from a decade ago. That means being the person who can lead a project, communicate clearly, and use AI to amplify everything you do without losing the human insight that makes it valuable. So here's your 7-day challenge. In the next week, pick one thing on campus you can improve, lead, or join, even if it's small. It could be helping run an existing event, streamlining a club project, or taking on a task in a group assignment. Use AI to help you do it better than anyone expects. Document what you did and what you learned. And here's the bonus. When you can do this, you'll walk into your next interview with a story no other student can tell. And that story will set you apart instantly. I can tell you this. The ones who win don't just survive university. They use it as a 4-year head start while everyone else is still figuring out the game. So stop asking if university is worth it. Start making it impossible for it not to be.